Access interface. Using an existing table. We are still using the distribution company database from our wiki page. Using an existing table. Begin by investigating the table named Employees. This contains data relating to employees of the distribution company. Click on the Employees table, then press Enter or double-click with the mouse to open it. A new pane opens on the right showing the data set out in a table. This method of display, known as Data Sheet View, shows the data in columns and rows, similar to a spreadsheet. There are a number of entries, records, one for each employee, which each take up one line or row of the table. For each employee, various items of data are recorded in columns. Each column contains one variable or field. On the top of the table is a tab, which provides easy access when you have more than one object open. Immediately below the data is the status bar, which shows you are positioned at record 1 of 9. The current record has a slightly darker background, while a column on the far left is yellow-orange. The current field has a colored border. You can move the indicator down to the next record by clicking on the button immediately to the right of the number 1 on the status bar. The next button to the right takes you to the end of the table. Click on this and you should be at record 9. Matching buttons on the left take you back a single record and back to record 1. Try out these two. You can also move up and down using the arrow keys on the keyboard. The scroll bar down the right edge of the table window moves the display up and down. Another scroll bar is provided at the foot of the window for moving to the left and right when the records stand over more than one screen. To move from field to field across a record, use the right arrow and left arrow keys, or tap and shift tap. The End key takes you to the last field, the Home key to the first. Page up and page down take you up and down a screen, while Control Home and Control End take you to the first field of the top record and final field of the last record, respectively. To see exactly what each record contains and how it has been set up, click on the View button, the first on the ribbon. The Design tab is added to the ribbon.